get that out of the way because I'm only getting more crippled and more older by the day. So. Hey everyone, Outdoor Rob here, or Rob Farrow ATV, Outdoor Rob, whichever one you want. It's April 16th today, 2022. Just want to give you an update on what's going on. A lot of stuff is changing. It's been a tough last 2 years with all my health problems. I just got back to work in February, and near the end of March, or middle of March, I had some pains. I went to the doctor, and the next thing I knew, I was getting surgery. So I've been recovering from that for 6 weeks now. Healed now. Go back to work this week. So had some time to think about stuff. Had to change my diet up. Had to change a bunch of stuff. My body's taken an abuse over the years from motorcycles and four-wheelers, and so I think I'm going to be changing up a bit this summer. I bought the boat. I'm going to do some boating. 2 years ago I started working on this thing for a trip to Tuktoyaktuk, or Tuktoyaktuk, Northwest Territories, and then the COVID bullshit hit and everything got shut down, and they're open again. So I'm planning to do that trip this summer, get that done. I want to get up to the Arctic Ocean. Don't ask me why. Just something to do. So I gotta get this thing ready. The Maverick is for sale. I'm going to take a break from that this summer, and then we'll see how things go. Been rattling my body quite a bit, doing all the off-road stuff. Haven't had a chance to do anything more. I just posted the videos of the carburetor. Carburetor I did just before I went into the hospital. So I haven't had a chance to do anything more. Can't lift anything, or couldn't lift anything. Pretty good now, but this has got to get done. It'll probably go for sale. Can't really afford to have it hanging around. And I said before I wasn't going to make it into a garage queen, but it's kind of a garage queen. So we'll see what happens with that. And I got the IT 200. I was going to do some vintage hair scrambles with that, but we'll have to see how that goes, because when I go on a trip with this thing, that trip's gonna take 3 to 4 weeks long to complete. So I'm hoping to be out on the boat. Like I said, the Maverick is for sale. Had a good summer with it. Nothing wrong with it. Good to go. So that's kind of where I stand with things. Some of you may not like the changes, but you know, something I gotta do. I gotta make some big changes in my life this year. Things are gonna be much different. Hopefully this trip will work out. Get that out of the way, because I'm only getting more crippled and more older by the day. So anyways, thought I'd give you guys a little update what's going on. There'll be more PE Suzuki videos, getting that finished. videos of the trip for sure. Going up, that's right up to the Arctic Ocean. Lots of nice scenery and gravel roads and wildlife and kinds of cool stuff. And there'll be lots more videos of the boat, I hope. Get out in the water, but this spring is just killing me mentally wise. Probably killing everybody else too up here. It's crazy. Let me show you. Okay, like I said, it's April 16th and look at the snow levels. I've got 4 to 5 feet of snow here, and it's snowing today again, and it's supposed to keep snowing a couple more times this week. Every Wednesday we get a dump. It's crazy. It's not going to melt anytime soon, and the temperatures aren't supposed to rise very high in the next 2 weeks. I'll show you here the boat. She's covered up. I can't work on it. It's too cold. It's below 0 right now. Spring is long gone. It's gone. It's not happening. So I hope you guys understand and continue watching. There's still going to be some exploring. Actually, we were super close. We went up to look for a POW camp. We were super close, like I mean within 100 feet of finding the buildings. A buddy of mine went up there and took off from where we went, and he actually found the building. So we got to go back up there, do some exploring, maybe another plane wreck if I can hike in. It's about 1 kilometer in, kilometer out. So bicycling to get there. So that's where we are. So thanks for your support, and we'll see you on YouTube, hopefully, or Facebook, whichever one you like. All right, thanks guys.